Assalamualaikum, my name is Yazli Apizi and my matrix number is CF240058. Today I will present about the project title, which is the analysis of mechanical and electrical system. Our project is located at Cyberjaya Selangor, which is called as Sejati Lakeside Park Homes. This project building type is premium single story executive lakeside villa. Also, this project layout design is modern open concept floor plan, unified living, dining, and L-shaped kitchen with a master bedroom. Okay, let's move to the next part is objective and purpose. For the first one is eco-friendly living. To analyze sustainability building services for a low density and green township. Second is space optimization to access an open floor plan designed to maximize natural light penetration. Okay, next is core technical challenges. High humidity microclimate. Being near a large natural lake increases moisture level, requiring critical HVAC design to manage heavy cooling loads. Second is open kitchen boundaries. The lack of wall partition creates a major MAE challenge in controlling cooking odors and moisture from spreading to living areas. And the last one is fire safety and life protection. By integrating robust early detection or smoke and heat sensor and active water suppression like sprinkler seamlessly into the layout to protect occupants without disrupting the high ceiling aesthetic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Radi bin Fazila and I will be presenting about the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system for our group. So for this topic, there are three main points which is the system overview, system analysis and also recommendation. Okay, so let's go through to the system overview. For our building, we use a split type air conditioning system integrated with mechanical ventilation. For this system, there are several key functions, which is maintain indoor temperature, improve air circulation, control humidity, enhance indoor air quality, and also provide occupant comfort. This is because by using this system, it can accelerate the supply of air and also it can maintain the temperature. As we know, like Malaysia have a very high temperature and also high humidity. So for the main components, there are four here, which is stated, which is indoor unit evaporator, outdoor unit condenser, copper refrigerant pipes, and also fresh air fan system, as we can see from the diagram beside. Is for the system analysis. For our building, there are three air conditioning units installed, which is in the bedroom, living room, and also dining area, as you can see from the drawing. For the ventilation features, there are two, which is the fresh air fan and also kitchen range hood. For the fresh air fan, it introduces outdoor air, reduces CO2 concentration, and also improves indoor air quality. Uh, this is because having a bad ventilation will cause discomfort for the tenants and also will reduce their life quality. Next is for the kitchen range hood. It removes smoke and grease, extracts cooking odors, and also prevents contamination spread. As we know, the result of cooking will produce bad air in the kitchen. This, with having bad ventilation, will cause uh, bad hygiene, especially inside the kitchen. The benefits of having good ventilation is efficient cooling, better air quality, energy efficient operation, and also improved last but not least recommendation and also improvement. For our building, we recommend using inverter air conditioner, which has lower energy consumption and has stable indoor temperature. This is because it is better for the environment and also it has lower energy consumption, which is also better for the environment. Next is regular maintenance. It cleans, filter, and cools, and also improve cooling performance. This is to avoid dirt and also dust coming into the house. Next is drain pipe inspection. It prevents blockage and leakage and reduce mold growth. This is to improve ventilation system inside the house. Next is smart thermostat. It is an automated cooling control and has energy savings. This is because by having a automated cooling system, it can reduce energy usage inside the house. Lastly, air filtration system, which filter dust and pollen and also improve indoor air quality. So for this recommendation, we expect it to have a better comfort inside the house, have lower energy consumption, and improve indoor air quality and also longer equipment lifespan.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Hasif bin Muhammad Arif, and I will present about plumber system. This is the plan for our house and the plan for drainage areas. For this plan, there are a few components and functionalities. For first component, heavy drain pipe for 110 millimeters. It conveys high volume that water from toilets to lower treatment system. And light drain pipe 75 millimeters, it rock groundwater from shower and sink directly to vertical stairs. For 50 millimeter waste pipe, they transport groundwater directly from wash basins to nearby floor tracks. And for PPI elbows, 45 elbow optimize flow and prevent network blockage. And for flow drain and gully tracks, it direct runoff to drainage and seal out sewer odors. For flushing system, optimize flushing efficiently while minimize building water consumption. For problem statement in this plan, for first problem in acoustic noise pollution in the open flare living areas. In the original plan, the pipe road right diagonally across the open plan ceiling transmit fluid noises and vibration directly into the luxury living or dining areas. Without partition walls, the sound of flushing water from the master toilet will echo directly into the living and dining area and ruining the luxury atmosphere. For the second problem, biological contamination and leakage risk above the dining space. Black water joins directly above the dining table pose several risks of leakage for odors and biopathogen contamination due to structural settlement. Over time, structural settlement and thermal movement can cause this joint to weak, creating several risks of for odors and biocontamination right over the dining zone. To fix the problem, we need to do railroad pipes along the building perimeter in the exterior walls. This minimizes indoor pipeline and preserve the height ceiling design for the second problem. For the second problem, we redirect lines through and insulate external corner shaft to a subterranean rust. This insulate all leakage risk outside and allow maintenance via external access panel. From this improvement, the maintenance works can be easily be done for the plumbers if there is a problem.
Assalamualaikum and hi. Uh, I am Muhammad Naim and I will present for firefighting system. Okay, first thing first, for the system selection, we have two for the firefighting system, which is mechanical system and electrical system. For mechanical system, active fire suppression using high pressure water networks, centered sprinkler, and emergency hose cabinets for manual intervention. For electrical system, early warning smoke sensors and electronic signal logic that triggers building wide alarms before heat reach suppression level. Next, in this system, we have main valve, which is the system is fed by a dedicated main water supply entering from the right side of the layout that I have provided. A special control valve maintains pressure and supervise water flow into the suppression grid. After that, we have hose reel. The fire hose cabinet is strategically placed adjacent to the main entrance. This design facilitates occupant access to portable extinguishers and hose during evacuation, acting as a final line of defense at the exit point. Lastly, we have suppression, red pipe network, precision engineered sealing conducts splitting into all compartments. The sprinkler must be
in the center at the center, strategic placement in kitchen and living areas for 360 spray patterns. And then for the sprinkler, it's be good. It will be good if it have uniform coverage to ensure no blind spots during discharge. Next, I will go for the adjustment or improvement from the layout system. First thing first, we will go for manual alarm system, which is why the fire hose cabinet provides a reactive tools. The absence of a pull station near the entrance create a dangerous delay in building-wide notification. Escaping residents currently have no way to manually alert others if sensors are not yet triggered. Next, in the kitchen, from the layout, there is no smoke detector because traditional smoke sensors in the kitchen area frequently trigger false alarms from cooking steam or minor smoke, which is from burnt toast, which is its lead to the occupant alarm fatigue. The current lack of sensors in the dining kitchen zone create a dangerous detection gap for non-cooking fries. For the improvement, we can use a heat sensor. After that, lastly, the current head placement near the bottom wall is compromised by the room's L-shaped geometry. Large partition block, the 0.05 gram pressure mile per feet square density required for effective suppression. For the improvement, geometric centering, moving heads to the centroid of the room area.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Ikram Iman bin Kamaruddin. For the next part is strategy analysis. So from our new plans, we analyzed there had five of strategical upgrade. For the first one is conflict resolution and risk mitigation, which is about perimeter risk isolation. Second one is life cycle economy and maintenance strategy, or PETS, which is about zero demolition maintenance. For the third one is regulatory compliance and human factor, which is about behavioral centric life safety. For the next is indoor environmental quality (IEQ) and sustainability, which is about active health and efficiency. For the last one is constructability and on-site logistic, which is about streamlined installation geometry. Thank you.
As a conclusion, through this project, our team was able to effectively evaluate and optimize the mechanical and electrical system of the open concept premium lakeside villa, reinforcing the notion that contemporary civil engineering requires proper integration of structural framework with building services. Considering the humid environment of the lakeside villa, our team made appropriate recommendation involving the installation of efficient inverter air conditioner and air filtering mechanism to control humidity level and kitchen smell within open floor concept. In addition, our team ensured the prevention of severe acoustic noise pollution and biological leakage in the middle of the dining area by changing the wastewater layout into an external isolate shaft system. Lastly, the project successfully addresses all fire hazards by placing a manual pull alarm near the main entrance, ensuring complete sprinkler coverage of the master bedroom and placing heat sensor in the kitchen area. Overall, this paper demonstrates the need of multidisciplinary coordination in fire safety, plumbing and environmental control system during the construction phase of modern residence. That's all from us. Thank you.